Hello YouTube, hello everybody. So today is Sunday. I'm going to show you our Lego room. My son's Lego room. That's Raven Dream Bricks right there. It's not sunshine yet. Lego room update today is very messy because he's got some commission work for a customer which still yet to be finished. A parrot or something like that. So here's what it looked like during the Saturday night. And that's how it play. Good morning, sunshine. Oops, pornography. Okay, and here's his play thing. And I think I can hardly move. He plays somewhere here, he plays somewhere there. That's the guy. Good morning. Your shirt please. And that's his video corner. He's making his video over here. And I'm going to do this. The corners, our storage, just storages. That's my frog from a copy from Mr. Peter Crocodile. That's his Stone Army, Chima, Star Wars troops. This is how it looks like from this corner. I really can't move. Most of our Lego are buy in bulk and used. That's his Chima arrangement, unfinished, of course. Everything is unfinished over here. Today I'm going to help him arrange his room. That's my vintage Lego collection. Some of it is not my childhood Lego, but it's okay. Some Robbie the Robots. That's my daughter's collection. Okay, that's our room update. As the plate is going to be dismantled. And yeah, our Tintin Moon rocket is gone now. That's the corner of the rocket. That's the top of the rocket actually, and that's the fins that holds the engine. And here's what the engine looks like. It's already gone. That's the bottom part of the engine of the Tintin Moon rocket. If you see in my son's channel, Raven Dream Bricks, there is a Lego Tintin Moon rocket. Yeah, and also some more storage here. We managed to get some sterilite. It's very rare to have a sterilite bin here in Indonesia. Yeah, we have cleared up some cupboards. Hoi, wake up, boy. I'll show you his army. Yeah. What the bad shit is this? Droid army. Okay, everybody. That's all for today. You can't see anything anymore here. Floor is all covered. All over the place. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and to see Raven Dream Bricks channel. Thank you all. Okay, he's awake now. Hello, Raven.
Hello.
Everybody.
Hello, everybody.
He's awake when first thing in the morning, and he wakes up not to greet me, but to greet his droid troops. Okay, thank you for watching. Mincak Lius tercinta sedang mencari parch. Saudara bisa nggak lewat kamera ya. Mukanya udah jedius.